36 money-making faceless YouTube channel examples. So, you're wondering how to find the best niche for YouTube automation, huh? You might think keyword research is the way to go. Well, guess what? It's not always the smartest move. And checking out Google Trends to see what's hot lately? Nah, that may not cut it either. Now, buying a course from a self-proclaimed guru who claims to have the secret to cash-generating, faceless YouTube automation channels? Maybe, but who knows if it'll really work. But here's a simpler, more obvious, and foolproof way to choose your niche and kickstart your YouTube automation journey. Just learn from the successful channels themselves. Those mysterious channels with hundreds of thousands or even millions of subscribers. They hold the key to your success. And we've got you covered. Our team has done the legwork to simplify things for you. We've researched and compiled a list of the top YouTube channels, specifically in the faceless category, that are absolutely crushing it. And guess what? We're not just basing this on Social Blade, which is a stats website that tracks growth across various social media platforms, including YouTube. Nope, we've gone the extra mile. We've used tried and tested formulas to provide you with concrete evidence of these channels' tremendous success. So get ready. We've got tangible proof to back it up. And here's the deal. If you stick around and watch this video all the way to the end, we're going to spill the beans about a mind-blowing faceless channel with not just 8, but a whopping 80 million subscribers. Trust me, this video is absolutely worth every single second of your time. No need for any more delays. Let's dive right into the first channel. 1. Positive Affirmations Personal Development, 65.2 thousand subscribers. 2. Fresh Affirmations Personal Development, 72.8 thousand subscribers. 3. Permission to Exist Personal Development, 77.1 thousand subscribers. 4. Animal Facts Education Animals, 184,000 subscribers. 5. Viral Vehicles Automobiles, 244,000 subscribers. 6. 1 Million Test Experiments and Test, 271,000 subscribers. 7. DJ's Aviation and Flight, 339,000 subscribers. 8. Modern Muscle, Fitness and Bodybuilding, 312,000 subscribers. 9. Top 10 Zone, Product Reviews, Top 10 List, 562,000 subscribers. 10. Simply Aviation and Flight, 580,000 subscribers. 11. Animal Wise, Education and Animals, 550,000 subscribers. 12. Ancient Secrets Discoveries, History and Archaeology, 499,000 subscribers. 13. Babbletop, Entertainment and Top List, 817,000 subscribers. 14. Mr. Test, Experiments and Test, 612,000 subscribers. 15. Headspace, Meditation and Mindfulness, 655,000 subscribers. 16. Top 10 Gaming and Top List, 686,000 subscribers. 17. Mr. Luxury and Lifestyle, 687,000 subscribers. 18. Body Hub, Fitness and Workout, 1.28 million subscribers. 19. Touropia, Travel and Destinations, 1.12 million subscribers. 20. Grunge, Entertainment and Pop Culture, 2.2 million subscribers. 21. Brainy Dose, Personal Development, 2.24 million subscribers. 22. Practical Psychology and Self-Help, 2.17 million subscribers. 23. Alux, Luxury Lifestyle and Business, 4.38 million subscribers. 24. Mashed, Food and Cooking, 4.17 million subscribers. 25. Blitz, Gaming and strategy, 4.3 million subscribers. 26. Nuke's Top Faves, entertainment and top list, 4 million subscribers. 27. Story Booth, animated storytelling, 4.62 million subscribers. 28. Natural Cures, health and natural remedies, 3.43 million subscribers. 29. Tech Zone, technology and gadgets, 4.42 million subscribers. 30. Roberta's Gym, fitness workout, 5.44 million subscribers. 31. Top 5 Best, entertainment and top list, 5.51 million subscribers. 32. Gravity Transformation, fat loss and weight loss, 5.57 million subscribers. 33. Looper, entertainment and pop culture, 5.68 million subscribers. 34. Mr. Nightmare, horror and true stories, 6.26 million subscribers. 35. My Story Animated, animated storytelling, 17.6 million subscribers. 36. 5 Minute Crafts, DIY and crafts, 80.1 million subscribers. We're curious, which channel has really impressed you? We genuinely value your feedback. So please don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Our team is committed to conducting in-depth research and delivering valuable insights to assist you in building a successful Faceless channel. We're here to make your journey towards success as seamless as possible. So come join us and let's create something extraordinary together.